ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI based on the GPT 3.5 architecture. It is designed to generate human-like test responses to natural language inputs, making it well-suited for a wide range of natural language understanding and generation tasks, including chatbots, virtual assistants, content generation, and more. The best news is ChatGPT is now available to use as an app on the iPhone and iPad via the App Store. My name is Maddie, and in this video I want to show you how to install ChatGPT on your iPhone or iPad and how to use it step by step. Let's start. Like all the videos, I put the download link for you in the description, so open App Store. Then search ChatGPT. Download and install this application. Now let me show you how to work with this app. Open the app. Well, in the first step, there are 4 ways to enter the app. You can log in with your Apple ID, with your Google account, or if you already have an account, tap on login here. But if you just want to create an account, select sign up with email. So in the first step, enter your email address. After that, select continue. Here, please create your password, and your password must have at least 8 characters. Let's go to the next step. Select continue. Now ChatGPT sent us an email and we have to verify that. So go to your email and tap on verify. So far it was very simple and easy. So let's go for the rest of the tutorial. Now that we have confirmed the email, ChatGPT wants information such as first name, last name, and date of birth. After you have written all the information, tap on confirm. Here it gives us a series of information about the term of use of the app. For example, chats may be reviewed by their AI trainers to improve their system. So please don't share sensitive information. Well, let's go to the next step. Select continue. Excellent, this is from the account creation stage. Now let's see how to work with it, and I want to show you some important points. For example, I want to ask this app about my country. All I have to do is type here, tell me about Austria. In less than a second, ChatGPT gives us complete information about Austria. Also, if you want to delete searches you made, tap on more button here. After that, select history. Then delete it. If you like the working space of the app to be dark, just tap on more again. Then select settings. After that, go to color scheme section and change it to dark. Don't forget, for the best results, select the language you mainly speak. If it's not listed, it may still be supported by auto detection. In your settings, you can subscribe to ChatGPT Plus, which gives you access to OpenAI's most current language model, GPT-4, and provides access to ChatGPT even when demand is high and free users may be locked out. You will also get early access to any new features. It's $20 a month for ChatGPT Plus, but it's not necessary to pay for ChatGPT on iOS unless you want these advanced features and guaranteed access. You can also use ChatGPT with Siri and shortcuts, so you could use only your voice to ask questions. Also, if you want to exit this app, just tap on sign out here. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Subscribe to our channel so you can find out awesome video features and useful tools. See you soon in the next video.